Hi, this is Karen with WTI. This is the global 5-inch Santoku knife. This is my go-to knife in my kitchen. I cannot live with this knife. It's everything for me. I can slice lemon as thin and as thick as I want them. I don't worry about the handle since it has this ergonomic shape. So it feels like I have this strong grip on the knife, and I don't feel like I'll be losing it. And I feel confident in whatever I'm chopping. And it doesn't matter how soft the vegetable or the fruit could be, it's gonna go and then it's gonna cut the way I want it to be. And I feel like it has this perfect size and perfect shape that my hand doesn't get tired of chopping whatever it is that I'm doing, even if I have to do like a lot of it. And that's my point of view.